बीआरएस लीडर KTR की 400 एकड़ जमीन खरीदने वालों को वार्निंग। बीआरएस के सीनियर लीडर KT रामाराव KTR ने एक अहम बयान देते हुए कि 400 एकड़ जमीन के खरीदारों को सख्त वार्निंग दी है। उन्होंने ऐलान किया कि अगर बीआरएस अगले 3 सालों में इक़्तिदार में आती है तो इस जमीन को एक बड़े इको पार्क में तब्दील किया जाएगा और जो कोई भी इस जमीन पर कब्जा करेगा, हुकूमत इसको वापस ले लेगी। प्रेस कॉन्फ्रेंस से खिताब करते हुए KTR ने वाज़ेह तौर पर कहा कि कोई भी शख्स कंपनी इस जमीन को खरीदने की कोशिश न करे, क्योंकि उनकी हुकूमत इक़्तिदार में आते ही इसे वापस हासिल करेगी।
That this 400 acres of land in Kanche Gachibowli, as soon as we come back into office in a matter of couple of years, we will make this the largest eco park, which will be accessible to the citizens and also to the students of Hyderabad Central University. Will preserve biodiversity. Will make sure that this will become a top-notch, a model eco park in the entire country. And our track record speaks for itself. We are a government, BRS government, which had ensured that the highest green cover growth in the entire country happened in a decade during our tenure. So that's our commitment to environment, and that's our commitment to the cause. And I appeal once again to the real estate companies which are eyeing this land. Please don't find fault with us later. We are saying it clearly ahead of time. Please do not participate in the auction. That land belongs to the future of Hyderabad. Please do not buy an inch. If you are going to invest money, you will be losing it. And please do not blame us. Please do not, say that there is a policy change later. We are extremely clear, and this is the commitment of Honorable KCR Garu, who is basically the founding father of Telangana in a way. So it's his commitment. It's his word, it's our party's policy decision. Thank you.